It started with a letter from the President of the United States. It was not sent through media. It was not posted on social media. It came through backdoor channels, secret ones, carried by a special U.S. diplomat who landed quietly at Ouagadougou airport with no press, no cameras.
Hello! Keep watching Xposed GH.
The best channel on all of YouTube.
Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM Bros. Subscribe, share, me too, man. Now on Sakami. Ibrahim Traore, the president of Africa. I know there's another my friend, the superstar of Africa. Obi Awamaye, you know, who say it is possible. Africa say Jimmy, say young Pasha Fosa, say you are game. Oko Doha, Yaka Doha, Dubai, na make na Odu Hono Yesu, the US president, Trump episode 1. Oh, no, say for what? No, so you say who? No, so okay. No, me no marriage say Sh0ck. Na Okono BBC.
It started with a letter from the President of the United States. It was not sent through media. It was not posted on social media. It came through backdoor channels, secret ones, carried by a special U.S. diplomat who landed quietly at Ouagadougou airport with no press, no cameras. He went straight to the palace. Inside that envelope, there were only 2 lines. President Ibrahim Traore, the United States requests a private meeting. Let us speak in Doha, Qatar. It is urgent. Captain Ibrahim Traore read the words 3 times. Doha, Qatar. A quiet but rich Gulf country. A place of luxury and shadows. Many African leaders had disappeared after visiting there. Others came back with deals signed in blood. On the surface, it looked like peace and progress. But under that silence, something was always hidden. Traore didn't trust it. He called a night meeting with his most loyal men. 7 commanders sat around a long table, no phones, no cameras, no aides, just loyalty. He told them, "The Americans want a meeting in Doha, Qatar. I want your advice." His right-hand man, Colonel Yakuba Diallo, looked up sharply. "This is not a meeting, Captain. It's a setup." Another general spoke. "You say no, they say you are arrogant. You say yes, you may not return." Traore stayed silent. He walked to a cabinet. He opened a drawer with a code only he knew. From it, he pulled out a red file. It was labeled in bold, "Confidential, Operation Scorpion's Promise." Inside were satellite images, transcripts of secret calls between businessmen and foreign agents, and worst of all, a leaked plan. A plan to remove Captain Ibrahim Traore from power, quietly, without noise, no bombs, no coups, just silence. And it all started in Doha, Qatar. Traore's eyes were calm, but his voice was steel. "I will go. If I don't go, they win. If I disappear, they expose themselves." The room went cold. Yakuba stood up. "Captain, at least let me come with you." Traore shook his head. "Number. If this is a trap, they will want me alone. But I won't go empty-handed." He handed Yakuba a sealed envelope. It had only one label. "Activate. People's Plan. If I don't return in 3 days," Traore said, "you open this. The power goes to the people, not to the army, not to the elites, to the streets." Yakuba took the envelope with shaking hands. He knew what that meant. Traore was ready to die, not for glory, but for his nation. And far away, in the cold offices of Washington, the real game was just beginning. The plane touched down at night. Captain Ibrahim Traore stepped out onto the runway of Doha, Qatar International Airport. There were no cameras, no red carpet, no flags, just 3 black cars, windows tinted, engines running. No one smiled. A tall man in a gray suit walked toward him. He had no badge, no name tag, only a short nod. "Welcome, Mr. President. This way, please." Traore didn't speak. He studied everything. The guards, the drivers, the way no one made eye contact. This wasn't a welcome. This was a transfer, like a prisoner being moved without chains. The car drove silently through the city, a place that sparkled with glass towers and gold lights. But behind the shine, Traore saw it. Too quiet, too controlled.
Mamika be sure. Debbie Amikacho said, know yourself. The moment who you are, no, you become powerful. Yes. And not Trump. I am so powerful. So, of course, Russia, no, man, the highest honor they can give to any foreigner. Yes. Burkina Faso na make no. I oko jecta fight in a edini play one massa normal garden. No. It means he has become aware of himself and he has people know say I know who I am. And nothing and world leaders and in a body so. But America they na nuntia. Almost sinister mind. They cast a sinister mind. It means I don't bonny wom trim. And nothing Trump is over the na Trump the buy or smart by. You see how they think about Africans? They think they are so much up there and we are so down there. But Ibrahim told me say kwasasem na mo ye no. Wo buy no se masa. Give us access. Mayenya access to your gold and diamond. Yenya access to your country. Foreign way because rebels nearby. Look at some masa. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. You can't threaten me. That is Ibrahim here talking here. The president of Africa. That is him talking. What's want to me threaten me? Moko catch Trump and then say me nyafu. Menya bro, menya se bro, views and ye. Massa, we are of age. It's your cousin at Trump who say, hey, I say yes, so they say easy. Near me, Park was here say, Africa has come of age. Come share your share Bible, because we share African countries now, including Ghana, we are rising and we are rising very, very fast. And now, Ghana's city is counted among the world best in the world. Currency in the world. The city, yes, I'm talking about city. I'm a proud Ghanaian. Some guys say any about NDC MPP, some who do Ghana world. That's my thinking, and that should also be your thinking. And now Burkina Faso has shown the world, so we can do it. Now, who I will share me, can you do it? And I still have that stupid mentality to say you can't do it. Me, I know I can do it. If you want number one, I scammer, number one, I allegedly scammer. I was scamming Ghana brutal. I be mo koto tons as anyway no. Na say me wie yo. Who say abai papa ba? Na nyama aye boni na omfo say ya hwe sweeping ira ababi mo. Yes and in court. Na no per stay of prosecution. Yes there be proceedings. Yes there be.
Anna, your request to have a stay of proceedings, the court did not agree. What would you have to say?
It doesn't end here.
Okay.
I mean, we still have the Supreme Court. So we just exercise all our rights, you know, enshrined under the Constitution, the Republic, this beautiful republic. So I'll confer with my lawyers and then whatever as they so advise, we'll proceed.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Is that the practice?
I na mo na di Ghana for sika ya wase scammer wase gold or there kwofon so jimie obi ka chem bibia mo nwe ho na mo di achi am kwaye ya e dey sem bebre bai me I feel sad and die down and courts you see crime has no expiry date. Yes, and na court. Na court no ono ka say yes stay proceeding mean say asem na wo ho no yen ka ne sania etie ana yen dismiss na court so boa. Eno no ka say Supreme Court no be komasa e ho nyina lawyers na eda ho. Na mo an ye be di akire ye be si biya ye be gi sika. Mo amafo ho awu nyina me sika na mama wate. Aha Xposed GHFM Bruce. Subscribe, share, me too man now Sh0ck be man.
Keep watching Xposed GH.
The best channel on all of YouTube.
Yes.